There's only one, there's only one. It's only one, just only one, just love and happiness.
Hey guys, it's Jess and it's my husband. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we are redecorating our dining room. I wasn't sure if you're gonna come in and say anything.
No, that's it, that's it.
Okay, all right, get out of here. All right, so today we're redecorating our dining room. It's really just leftover chairs from what I had at my last apartment, but I want to shout out Kristen McGowan because I will kind of be biting and chewing off her style. I saw a YouTube video of how she redecorated her dining room, and me and my husband, we kind of fell in love with her style, so we're gonna make it our own, but we're gonna be biting and chewing off a lot of it. So shout out to you if you ever see this, which you probably won't, but y'all can't say I didn't give her no credit. So I'm gonna show you guys again where we're starting off. It's rough. We also never eat over here, like ever. But I'm hoping after we fix up our dining room, maybe we will. So the chairs are embarrassing. First of all, it's giving mismatched chairs. This chair was from my office. These are the only two that were in my dining room at my last apartment because I only had a chair on one side and a chair on the other. And then this was in my living room, but we kind of just stuck them all over here because there's no really huge purpose of them right now.
I hate this thing too.
This, we're gonna try to get rid of this. I don't know if we're gonna replace it or just put like a little cap over it. Not sure yet. This round table was definitely cute in the apartment. It was giving like coffee shop vibes, but we need a bigger table. So with that being said, shout out to Article for sponsoring this video because they gifted us with a beautiful table that we're gonna put together right now. Yeah, we're gonna bring our dining room to life. We'll be setting this table up right now and we're gonna see how it fits in this space, and then we're gonna get to work. You ready, babe?
Let's ride.
Let's do it.
Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass, I get that ooh. Big ass, I get that ooh, baby.
So something I love about Article is that they always deliver my furniture in the area where I'll be using it, so it makes it so much easier for me to put it together. All of their furniture is so simple to put together. They make it so easy to attain a beautiful modern living space. All of their furniture is at a really great price and is designed to last. They also have really great estimated shipping times. We got this in like a week between purchasing and receiving the item. So I'm gonna tell you more about this table, which we're so in love with. All right guys, so this is how the table looks. It's really sturdy. It's a nice oak color. This is the C-No table. I'll leave all the information in the description box, but it's so smooth and it's really sturdy. And the best part about this table is that it can go from, right now this is a 6-seater, and then there's 2 extendable pieces over there that you can turn it into an 8-seater. So we're probably gonna use it mostly as a 6-seater, but we kind of want to see what it looks like as an 8-seater. So we're gonna pop these on really quick and it's gonna be a vibe. So this is how long the table is when you add, I guess they call like the extendables, the leaves, whatever you want to call it. And it's still sturdy. I mean, it's easy to pick, actually, not that easy to pick up. So you just add them on and then it goes from there's some reviews that say that this can fit 12 people. Anyways, you see how long this is.
Big table.
It's a long table with the extendable. We're not gonna use them all the time, probably only if we have like, you know, Christmas or like a Sunday dinner with all of our family. It would be perfect. You should see what we used the last time we had a Sunday dinner. It was pretty embarrassing. So this is gonna work out well. This is nice. All right, and if you wanna take it off, Jonathan is going to show you guys how to take it off. It's literally that simple. Off and on again, you just pop it in. We love, that's so simple, so easy. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below. Thank you Article again so much for this table. And now we are going to really deck out this space right here. I'm so excited, it's gonna look so good. Let's get into the rest of this transformation. So our first stop was going to Home Depot to find a color to paint our walls. And even though we had inspiration, we wanted to do something different, but there's a million colors there. So this was definitely a struggle. All right, so these are the colors that we picked up yesterday, or the swatches, I must say. In person, these are more green, but on camera, they look very gray. But we're gonna put them on the wall right here and kind of see what we like. So we're gonna do, what is the swatch test? Something like that. So after a little bit of back and forth and deliberation, we decided on recycled glass. We got that color from Home Depot, and then we're just now prepping the area to get painted. We used this painter's tape. It was really difficult to get a straight line at the top, even with using a leveler and like a yardstick and all that. It took a while, but we got it done. So now we're just gonna go ahead and paint the area, and I know everyone's saying next time use a laser leveler. We will get that next time if there is a next time, but now we're just gonna go ahead and start painting the area. Alright guys, so I never came back to show you what the wall looked like. So last night, Jonathan and we kind of hated it. Last night we're like, this isn't really the color we want, and I really wish it would come across. Like on camera it actually looks like the color we're about to paint it, but in real life it's really green. I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen of what color it really is. It's just not the color we were going for, and I don't feel like it really matched the vibe of the house. So Jonathan went to Sherwin-Williams, and now we're going with a deeper
Evergreen fog.
It's called Evergreen Fog. So I'm gonna put these two colors next to each other, and you can see how different it is. Like this one is a little bit more, it's like mint green kind of. This one's more of a calm and cool color. This one is a little more like bubbly. So that was not what we were going for. It's too happy. We're more moody. So that's the color we're gonna go with. So we're repainting it today. Luckily the tape is already there, so we can skip that step because that took the longest. So we're gonna repaint that now. All right, y'all, so we're gonna have a new color in 3, 2. So this is the color we ended up going with. I love it so much more. It's less beachy, more modern. Love that. So we also stole the setup from Kristen McGowan's YouTube video, not gonna lie. She got these benches and the bench toppers from IKEA, and we got 5 bench toppers and it fits the bench perfectly. The bench closers or whatever were sold out, but we'll get them another time, no big deals. We decided to go with benches instead of chairs for a more like nook lounge type of vibe. So we got these pictures from Amazon. I wanted to bring out some different colors, but I'm not gonna lie, these came out smaller than I thought they were. For some reason, I always get the wrong thing on Amazon. I need to read the description, but their pictures always throw me off. I need to stop trusting the pictures and read the description box. But we didn't screw them in. We used command strips and I just stuck them onto the wall. Just make sure you use a leveler to make sure the pictures are straight. I also got these lights off of Amazon. We didn't do any electrical work. We just screwed them into the wall, and then we ended up using puck lights as the lighting instead of using like electrical lights with a switch. Child, get some batteries, throw a puck light in there, and then you're good to go. So here is the finished look of the wall. I honestly love the way it turned out, even with the pictures being a little bit small. It's literally my favorite part of the house right now. And here is the remote for the puck lights. I love how you can change the colors of the lights to give it a little vibe. Turn off the lights at night and then just turn on the little colors. Very cute. So we got these chairs from Amazon. I only got 4 because it's all we really needed since we had benches on the other side. They're very sleek, they're pretty easy to put together, and they're very affordable. And then we got these pillows off of Amazon because I really wanted to play with the colors in the pictures. So I got a pillow that would bring all of the colors together. So it's like gray, black, beige, and a little bit of cream. So I got all those pillows covers from Amazon, and everything was pretty much done, but it was just missing a rug. So you know where I had to head to? Amazon yet again. I got this rug from Amazon, and this is actually a purchase from Amazon that I can say turned out exactly how I wanted to. It was the perfect color, the perfect size. It matched perfectly with the pillow because it has all the same colors, the gray tones, beige tones, the cream tones. So we just set that underneath, and here is the finished look of our dining room.
That's just what I do, and that's just how we do it. Yeah, that's just how we do it. You like it what I do, know how to keep it cool, and that's just how we do it. Yeah, that's just how we do it, and you can do it too. No complaints, left the heels at home on my sneaker game. You say where you from, out of space, 'cause the back the only.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation video of our dining room. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the description box, and we will see you guys in our next video.
There's only one.